Also, follow-up question regarding DaRT. Basically, do you still use it other than Locksmith? Yeah, I use the File Explorer when navigating through files, or I just open the dialog box from Notepad and browse around and find files. I also use the remote recovery a lot, the connection viewer, because that one allows me to remote into machines while they're being deployed, or even in WinPE. So I do have a blog post about that because I don't like the way the ConfigMgr on MDT integration does it. I think it starts it too late. So here is how you add it to your boot images early so that you can remote into the machines even before typing in a Pixie password, for example. But this one is still useful. If you cannot get access to DaRT because you don't have a MDOP available, Gary, of course, has a nice post on using VNC for it. So that one is useful. And VNC is also cool because it also works for clients on internet. So you can remote into machines that way. You also have, and it was Gary Cody who gave me this tip on MS actually. It's a solution from a guy that works from Intel called Mesh Central. That one will also allow to remote into WinPE, even when that machine is behind a firewall on that device or is somebody's home, stuff like that. So this seems to be promising as well. It is using Node.js. You need to pay attention for security there, but other than that, it is open source. So yeah, open source is good. There was a follow-up comment here on in the chat that Microsoft has another solution that is using the same acronym as DaRT, and yes, unfortunately they do. So DaRT is also this, but that's a very different DaRT. DaRT from MDOP is the recovery tools that I showed you earlier. But this one here is the sort of a new one, the DaRT with basically this. It's the recovery tool set. Discuss the brilliancy of using the same acronym for two different things, but here we are.